Today we'll show you 4 ideas to teach children the letters in a fun way. Today, we learn the letters playing. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. Hello, Gato Moon, what are you doing? Oops, she doesn't seem very happy. What happened to her? Uh-oh, you're trying to write your name and you don't know how to? No worries, Gato Moon. Gato Rainbow and I are going to help you. The first game is a trait to practice the letters and draw whatever you want. We will need salt, the lid of a box, brush, pencil, and tempers. Since Gato Rainbow will be the teacher today, we will make the pattern of his tail on our box. Let the paint dry completely and add the salt. To complete this activity, we made some letters on the computer and printed them. We will leave the link to the downloadable letters in the description box. We also laminated them to make them last longer. So now we have the alphabet to practice it. You can use a tray to practice lines, shapes, numbers, or whatever you want. The second idea is really cool. Textural letters. We will need foam paper, different textures like fabric, cord, felt, scissors, if they're thin, so much better, and liquid silicone. We have printed the letters and we're going to trace them on top of the foam so that we can see the mark while cutting it. Cut it carefully. And now all that's left to do is add the texture that we want from behind. Fabric, sandpaper, bubble wrap. Gato Rainbow, what are you doing there? Well, let's get going. Glue the texture on the back. And that's it. The next idea is super fun. We made a slime with letters inside. We'll need white glue, contact solution, baking soda, and small letters. Add half a cup of white glue, a teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it well. Now we will be adding contact solution until the mixture becomes a slime. Dye the color that you want and knead it well until it has the texture of slime. Add the letters. And play. You can play to name the letters that you're taking out, to look for the letters of your name, to form words, and so much more. If you want to have more slime recipes, don't forget to watch this video. The last idea is very simple, but we love it. Make letters on Play-Doh. We just need Play-Doh and little rocks. Put the Play-Doh on the table and smooth it as you can. With the examples of the letters that we did before, we're going to copy them on the Play-Doh, and we are going to make them out of rocks. Look at how cool they look! Gato Rainbow Gata Moon have been playing and they wrote something with the letters. El gato and la gata, monkey. Okay, keep practicing guys. See you soon!